guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking and Love, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very, very sweet and delicious dessert. And for all of you chocolate and pistachio lovers, I know this recipe is for you, Siegler. What are we going to be making today? We're going to be making rotolo con pistacchio e cioccolato. Translated is chocolate and pistachio roll. Now this is really good for the Christmas period, you know, Christmas holiday and New Year holiday, because it's very sweet. You know, after your dinner or lunch, you can have this to buy from. It's really good. I tried this before, but anyway, the ingredients are: we have 4 eggs, 100 grams of sugar, 30 grams of 0 flour, 20 grams of bitter cocoa, 50 milliliters of seed oil, and some salt as needed, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 80 grams of pistachio cream, 350 milliliters of whipping cream, 2 spoons of powdered sugar, 200 grams of dark chocolate, and chopped pistachios to decorate. Now let's start making the pistachio cream filling. Okay, I have a bowl, a spatula, and 3 ingredients to make our pistachio cream. So first of all, we have our mascarpone. We have our powdered sugar. And our beautiful pistachio. And then mix. Okay, once all of this has combined, we can start adding our whipped cream. Okay, now I'm just gonna fold this in. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and I'm gonna try it first. And there's a nice sweet pistachio taste. Okay, this can go in the fridge. Cover this. Okay, I'm making a mess right now. Pretend you didn't see that. This can go in the fridge while we start making everything else. There we go. And now for the next part. So while the pistachio cream filling is resting in the fridge, we can move on to the base of the roll. So here we have egg whites, our sugar, lots, and our pinch of salt. Okay, we can start mixing this. Okay, keep on mixing until it's this consistency. And now we can finally add in our egg yolks. Okay, once the eggs are combined, we can start adding the oil. Now for my final 2 ingredients to make a base. We have our flour. I'm gonna sieve this. Boom. And cocoa. Contrasting color. While I'm doing this, I preheated my oven to 190 degrees Celsius on ventilation fan assisted. This looks beautiful for some reason. Guys, this is oddly satisfying. Like, it's really satisfying to see it fold. I can watch this for hours. It's like hypnotic almost. But this is going to turn into something delicious. So now we can transfer this into our pan with parchment paper and oil. Okay, so as you can see here, I managed to put it all. A quick tip to show you how to make it as even as possible. You just slightly tap it. You can use this when you're doing risotto to make it nice and even. Okay, so this is ready to go into the oven. I'm gonna let this cook for about, I'm gonna let this cook for 9 minutes. Yeah. Okay, this is our beautiful roll. Nice and fluffy. We need to wait for this to cool down until we can start putting the pistachio cream. Yeah, this took like what, 9 minutes. It went really quickly. It's nice and soft. Okay, so this is finally cooled down. This is very soft, I have to say. If you can feel it, look how soft it looks. It's like a sponge. So, but anyway, we can start putting the cream. This is the pistachio filling that I put in the fridge. So now we can finally start putting, I'm gonna put it around here, but not here, because we need to save the borders just in case we overflow the cream and it comes out. So we can start putting it in. Don't put all of the cream just in case it's too much. Just put it on a little bit, and then if you need more, you can always just add a little more. So I like a lot of cream. Okay, just smoothing this out. Nice. Okay, we can start. Sorry, we can start rolling this now. Okay, so I rolled it here. I rolled it and I already transferred to my plate. As you can see here, it's kind of, broken because it attached to the parchment, but that's okay because you're going to cover it in like chocolate, pistachio, so it's gonna look beautiful. This is what happens in pasticceria. And you can also see it's a bit too long on my plate. So what I'm gonna do is cut it to make it more presentable and more straight. If I can even cut it. That actually looks really good. I'm gonna try it. I mean, as I said, it's really good. So now, I'm going to put this in the fridge for 1 hour. I'll see you then. Okay, it's been around 45 to 50 minutes. It's still in the fridge. Right now, I'm going to start making the chocolate ganache, I think. It's pretty easy. We warm up this, and then we warm up the chocolate. So we're going to wait until, this heats up. You want it to be quite hot. You can put this in. Okay, so I put this to minimum heat. This is cream, by the way. And then we have here our beautiful chocolate. I have one. We can start putting them in. And now we melt them. Okay, so my chocolate's melted. I cooled it down for a couple of minutes, and now we're ready to pour it onto this bad boy. isn't this beautiful? It's almost like a chocolate mirror that like for some reason reflects. Almost like nice and marble. Anyway, we can now put the granule, we can put the pistachio. Just a little bit. Don't want to put too much. Just a little more on the sides. You know, it's good that they're not like even cut pieces, because otherwise, you know, you like some texture on. Okay, I'm gonna leave this to cool down because I don't know, I just want to eat this now, like the whole thing. But we're gonna leave this to cool down. Just set. After that, we can start eating this because like this looks so good. Yeah. Okay, so our beautiful dessert is done. Look at this beauty. We decorated it with some, you know, whipped cream. But now I can finally eat it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a piece for myself. Very hard because I'm on the left hand. It's time to use my. Okay, I'm gonna cut myself a piece. And then. May not be a perfect piece, but it'll do. And there it is. This looks beautiful. I'm going to try this now because I'm so hungry. This 10 out of 10 for you. This is so good. As I said before, look, you know, nice pistachio. As I said before, this is good for Christmas, New Year, well, the Christmas period basically. I hope you all love this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, smash that like button and notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my videos. I want to say Merry Christmas to all of my subscribers, all my friends, my mom's friends, you know, they're proud to be Manayans, you know, Filipino. I hope you have a good New Year's Eve. See, alla prossima, ciao!